In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Preview Pane Gmail. If your inbox is showing message content side by side or underneath your message list, that's the Preview Pane, also called the Reading Pane. Some people love it for quick skimming, but if you prefer opening one email at a time in the full window, turning it off can make your inbox feel cleaner and less distracting. Here's how to switch it back to the classic, single-column view on the Gmail web interface. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser and signing in. This setting only exists on the web version, so make sure you're not trying to do this from the mobile app. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it, and in the panel that opens, choose See All Settings to go to the full settings area. Along the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Inbox. This is where Gmail controls how your inbox is organized and displayed. Now scroll down until you find the section called Reading Pane, sometimes shown as Preview Pane in parentheses. This is the exact place where the split view is controlled. You'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Reading Pane. To turn the feature off completely, uncheck that box. This tells Gmail you don't want the split pane view at all. After unchecking, don't forget to save. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and when it comes back, you'll notice the split view is gone. Your emails will now open fully in the main window, just like the default Gmail experience. If you only want to hide the pane temporarily, there's a quicker toggle. Look along the top of your inbox for a small split pane icon near the gear. Click it and choose No Split. That switches the view without diving into settings, which is handy if you're trying different layouts. Keep in mind, though, that unchecking Enable Reading Pane in settings is the way to remove the feature until you explicitly re-enable it. A quick note before we wrap up. This option isn't available in the Gmail mobile app. If you're on your phone or tablet, you'll always open messages in a full screen rather than a split view. That's it. By adjusting a single checkbox and saving, you can simplify your inbox and focus on one email at a time.